sneak and scare angels off the cloud. His evil words reverberate with a migraine pulse and pound. Steaming fishes line his way, his footsteps shake the ground. He's not very subtle, you'll know when he's in town. He could be the devil, Jack the Ripper, and Jesse James. He could be the devil.
Такое 14 апреля 23 года.
The king of hate, death, plague, and rage. He could be the devil, you can't hide from his pain. His twisted genius plans keep on torturing us fools. His guillotine is burning stakes so great but they're old school. Now he's gotta wear pretenses, tweet, shame, and ridicule. His apps get malicious, he uses all the tools. He could be the devil, Jack the Ripper, and Jesse James. He could be the devil, Adam Bomb and a hurricane. He could be the king of hate, death, plague, and rage. He could be the devil, you can't hide from his pain. He takes credit from Mr. Hitler, poverty and apartheid. His favorite movie stars Freddy Krueger. He's chaos personified. Be the devil, Jack the Ripper, Jesse James. He could be the devil, Adam Bomb and a hurricane. He could be the king of hate, death, plague, and rage. He could be the devil, you can't hide from his pain.
Классная погода. 15 апреля 23 года. 6 утра.
He could be the king of hate, death, plague, and rage. He could be the devil, you can't hide from his pain. He could be the devil, Jack the Ripper, and Jesse James. He could be the devil, you can't hide from.
Прям доброе утро. 15 апреля 23 года. В город я сегодня не поехал, но 15 апреля 23 года замечательный день, который хоть как-то компенсирует какие-то взаимоотношения между созвездиями в этом космосе. Вот. Вандервиль, welcome. Новых встреч.
I'm about to pull up. Let's let's get active. If I hop up in the whip, I'm ready for some action. If I'm back on road, it gotta be bigger than the last one. Type of money I'm getting, I'm the one taxing. Got my brothers by my side, that's a ride or die. Had to face off with the Reaper way too many times. Looked him in the eye, told him pick another time. Woke up in the morning, then I headed to another crime. Stack that money tall like the mountains in Montana. We gorillas in the jungle, don't get peeled from these bananas. Put a gift inside that bag and then pretend you just like Santa. Keep it cooler, we gon' heat this place up like Louisiana.
Truth is, can't nobody stop us. Truth is, can't nobody stop us. Yeah, they tried but couldn't do it properly. Truth is, can't nobody stop us.
I'm only down for the fam and the bread. Only running with the best. I can't settle for less. Nah, keep it airtight. Yeah, had to keep it fresh. Pack me some gloves. Ay, pack me a vest. Slip out the back. Dodge the arrest. Shake off the feds. Then we do it all again. Ay, keep it low key. Never see me in the press. Still the topic of discussion. Bad news. What you expect? Huh? Many men try to imitate, but they ended up stretched. The other half is upstate. Calling a pen pal on collect. Listen, dog, to pull this off, you need fearlessness and finesse. They say a cold heart make a warm home for all of these dead prayers.
Truth is, can't nobody stop us. Truth is, can't nobody stop us. Yeah, they tried but couldn't do it properly. Truth is, can't nobody stop us.
It's looking kinda dark when we come through. That's how we like it in the shadows where the monsters grew. No need to fight it out and overcame impossible. Borderline unstoppable. I learned that pain is malleable. Turned it into profit. Whoa. See, all I had to do was take it from you. Look at this, poof, Van Moose. I'm long gone with the crew. And it gets easier with every single job that we do. Yo, check the technique. I'm way too smooth with it. Can do it in my sleep.
Truth is, can't nobody stop us. Truth is, can't nobody stop us. Yeah, they tried but couldn't do it proper. Truth is, can't nobody stop us.
Yeah, yeah.
Truth is, can't nobody stop us. Truth is, can't nobody stop us.
Yeah, they tried but couldn't do it proper.
Whoa, whoa. Truth is, can't nobody stop us.